Want to get more from your Samsung phone? Managing accessibility settings can enhance your experience. In this video, we'll show you how to export, import, and share Samsung accessibility settings to make the most of your device. Part 1. Why you need to manage accessibility settings on Samsung. Personalize your Samsung phone with features like text-to-speech and single tap mode. Quickly transfer accessibility settings to a new device. Part 2. How to export Samsung accessibility settings. Open Settings on your Samsung phone. Tap on Accessibility, scroll down and select Manage Accessibility. Tap Import or Export, then choose Export to My Files to transfer settings. Part 3. How can I import accessibility on Samsung? Open Settings on your Samsung and select Accessibility. Tap Import or Export, then choose Import from My Files. Select the settings file and click Done. Tap Import to sync the settings to your phone. Part 4. Tutorial about Share Accessibility Settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Manage Accessibility. Tap Share Via and choose the files to share. Confirm your selection by tapping Done. Select a transfer method to send the files.